Hey everyone! Today we're going to answer the question, what is a bank? But we're not just going to talk about what you see like the buildings or ATMs. We're going to explore what banks really do and why they're important even for you and me. So, what is a bank? A bank is a place where you can save your money. Have you ever saved money to buy something special? Maybe a new video game, a skateboard, or that super cool toy you saw in the store. Well, banks are places where people go to save their money, but there's a bit more to it than just saving. Imagine if your piggy bank was so full you couldn't fit any more coins in it. What would you do? You might need a bigger place to keep your money, right? That's one of the things banks do. They're like huge, super secure piggy banks where lots of people keep their money safe. But banks aren't just about keeping money safe. They do something really special with it. Let's say someone wants to build a playground but doesn't have enough money. The bank can lend them some of the money that others have saved. This way, the person can build the playground, and when they pay the money back, they give a little extra as a thank you to the bank. That thank you money is called interest. Also, there are different types of banks. That's right, not all banks are the same. There are banks that help people buy houses or start businesses. There are also online banks, which are like invisible banks you can't see but can use through the internet. And then there are credit unions, which are like clubs where the members are the owners and they often get to make decisions together. Banks do a lot of amazing things. They help people save money for when they're older, like for retirement. They help people buy homes by lending them money. They even help people start their own businesses. It's kind of like they're helping dreams come true. Now, you might wonder how banks make money if they're lending it out. Well, when they lend money, they charge interest, and that's one way they make money. They also charge fees for some of the services they provide, like managing accounts or using ATMs. Banks also use a lot of technology. You can check how much money you have saved on a computer or a phone. You can even send money to your friends or family without having to go to the bank. It's pretty cool how banks keep finding new ways to make managing money easier and more fun. It's important to learn about banks and money because being smart with money can help you achieve your dreams. Whether you want to travel, go to college, or start your own business, knowing how banks work is a big part of that. So, what do you think? Banks are pretty interesting, right? They're not just buildings with money inside, they're places where dreams can get a little help to come true, where people can save for the future, and where we all learn to be smarter with our money. As we wrap up, remember that learning about money and banks is like going on an adventure. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be for all the exciting things you'll want to do in the future. And who knows? Maybe one day you'll come up with an awesome idea that a bank will help you bring to life. Thanks for joining me today. Keep asking questions, stay curious, and never stop learning. Catch you next time.